Here to introduce this 18-watt sensor small panel light. This is a light sensor, and here is a microwave sensor which is hidden inside. Turn into the back side, this is a color temperature switch. And here is a bracket, able for surface and recessed. Could adjust the clips to suit for different cutting hole sizes. If we remove the clips, it will change into surface assemble type. First, you need to hit the screw onto the bracket and connect the lamp with the bracket together. Turn it tight. Now to light up to show you the performance. Here will be a quick light up when it starts, and it will change based on environment. Now it won't light up. If we hide the light sensor, it will light up. Now to change the color temperature, it's 6,000 and 5,000 Kelvin, it's 4,200 Kelvin, and finally it's 3,000 Kelvin.